You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly if you want to learn more confusing names pronounced that are very often mispronounced. Stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. Pronounced in French as Richelle. This is probably why in English it's usually pronounced as Richelle. Yes, with CH pronounced like SH, kind of more the French way. Richelle, so it's going to be either Richelle or Richelle. Richelle or Richelle. It's probably going to be more Richelle. How to pronounce Richelle? How do you pronounce it yourself? Let us know in the comments down below. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.